Creating great video content is important, but in today's competitive YouTube landscape, just having great content isn't enough. You need to ensure that your videos reach the right audience and stand out among millions of others. Getting people to watch your videos is also important. This is where TubeBuddy comes in. TubeBuddy is designed to help you optimize your content and get more eyes on your videos. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube. It provides a suite of tools that can help you manage, optimize, and grow your channel. Think of it as a comprehensive toolbox for YouTube creators. TubeBuddy offers a wide range of features, from keyword research to advanced analytics, all designed to help you succeed. These features can help you grow your channel by providing insights and tools that are essential for success. With TubeBuddy, you can track your performance and make data-driven decisions. One of the most powerful features of TubeBuddy is its keyword research tool. You can use it to find the best keywords for your videos, helping you to rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. You can also use TubeBuddy to track your progress over time. The analytics tools provide detailed reports on your channel's performance, helping you to understand what's working and what needs improvement. TubeBuddy can even help you with your video SEO. By optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your video's visibility and reach a larger audience. Despite its powerful features, TubeBuddy is incredibly easy to use. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to YouTubers of all skill levels. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing you to quickly find and use the tools you need without any hassle. You can add TubeBuddy to your browser with just a few clicks. Once installed, it integrates seamlessly with YouTube, providing you with a powerful set of tools right at your fingertips. Once you install it, you can start using its features right away. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to manage your channel and grow your audience with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a valuable tool that can make a significant difference in your YouTube journey. It provides everything you need to take your channel to the next level. It can help YouTubers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. No matter where you are in your YouTube career, TubeBuddy has something to offer. Whether you are just starting out or you are a seasoned pro, TubeBuddy can help you succeed. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, it's truly a YouTuber's best friend. Keywords are essential for YouTube success. They act as the bridge between your content and the audience searching for it. Without the right keywords, your videos might remain hidden in the vast sea of content on YouTube. They help people find your videos. When users type in specific terms, YouTube's algorithm works to match those terms with the most relevant content. When someone types a keyword into YouTube, they see a list of videos. This list is curated based on relevance, engagement, and keyword optimization. You want your videos to be at the top of that list. Being at the top means higher visibility, more clicks, and ultimately, more views. This is where TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer comes in. It's a powerful tool designed to help you identify the best keywords for your content. Keyword Explorer helps you find the best keywords. It provides insights into search volume, competition, and overall keyword performance. These are keywords that people are searching for. By understanding what your audience is looking for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs. They are also keywords that are not too competitive. Finding the right balance between search volume and competition is key to standing out. Using the right keywords can make a big difference. It can be the deciding factor between your video being seen or overlooked. Your videos will rank higher in search results. Higher rankings lead to more visibility and greater engagement. This means that more people will find your videos. More views translate to a growing audience and increased success on YouTube. Using Keyword Explorer is easy. It's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your video's visibility on YouTube. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, mastering this tool can give you a competitive edge. First, open the TubeBuddy extension in your browser. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it in the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox add-on site. Once installed, the TubeBuddy icon will appear in your browser toolbar. You will see a menu of different features. Click on Keyword Explorer. This feature is designed to help you find the best keywords for your content, making it easier for your audience to discover your videos. Now, type in a keyword related to your video. Think about what your audience might be searching for. The more specific and relevant your keyword, the better the results you'll get. TubeBuddy will show you a list of related keywords. These suggestions can help you refine your keyword strategy and target the right audience. It will also show you how competitive each keyword is. This is crucial information because it helps you understand which keywords are worth targeting and which ones might be too difficult to rank for. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. These are the golden keywords that can drive more traffic to your videos without much effort. These are the best keywords to use for your video. They strike the perfect balance between being popular enough to attract viewers and not too competitive to rank for. Once you find some good keywords, add them to your video title, description, and tags. This will optimize your video for search engines and make it easier for viewers to find your content. This will help your video rank higher in search results. By following these steps, you can improve your video's visibility, attract more viewers, and grow your channel more effectively. Section 4. The Power of Keyword Explorer. Summary. TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer is a powerful tool. It can help you find the best keywords for your videos. This can lead to more views and subscribers for your channel. By using relevant keywords, your content becomes more discoverable. Keyword Explorer takes the guesswork out of keyword research. It gives you the information you need to succeed. It is a must-have tool for any YouTuber. Don't let your videos get lost in the sea of YouTube content. Section 5. Take action. Elevate your YouTube channel with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a powerful tool. It can help you take your YouTube channel to the next level. With its many features, it simplifies video optimization. It empowers you to make informed decisions. Start using TubeBuddy today. See the difference it can make. Click the link below to start your free trial.